Hola, welcome to Fun Fast Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about things that are not allowed. So every time we see like a sign, and then it says maybe like something is not allowed, we should be able to understand what it says there to avoid problems. So let's see how we can communicate this. It is not allowed when things are not allowed. So things are prohibited, right? We can use the impersonal say. Why? Because it's a generalization. It's either is everybody does it or nobody does it, and because it's something that is like kind of a rule, so it's for everybody, right? So yeah, we can use here the impersonal say, like to give instructions. Remember, to give instructions or advice with impersonal say, same thing here. So first one, no se permite. Yeah, no se permite o no se permiten if it's plural. No se permiten armas de fuego. Yeah, no se permiten las armas de fuego, you could also say. So, like, uh, guns are not allowed. Yeah, armas de fuego is like fire guns. Yeah, uh, se prohíbe la entrada de bebidas alcohólicas. So se prohíbe, yeah, is like it could be like an action. Se prohíbe hacer algo. Se prohíbe entrar con perros. It's prohibited to enter with dogs, but you can also prohibit like la entrada will be like the entrance. Se prohíbe la entrada de bebidas alcohólicas. You can prohibit things here, yeah, but you can also prohibit like actions, yeah. Se prohíben los gatos. Cats are prohibited. You can say that too, yeah. So if it's plural, it's gonna be se prohíben, yeah. Uh, the next one, no se puede. This one is good. It's with the impersonal se. No se puede fumar. Like, nobody can smoke here. Like, nobody can smoke. It's not allowed. Yeah. Uh, no se puede, I don't know, bailar. Dancing is not allowed here. Nobody can, like dance here. So, no se puede, and then a verb is a very common one. But no se puede doesn't mean it's not allowed. It means more like it's impossible to do. No se puede, yeah. I mean, se puede, sí, se puede. It's possible. But se debe, no se debe. That will be more like, is it allowed or not? So I will use here instead of puede, debe. Because debe is like the must, right? It has like a moral connotation. So, no se debe fumar. Yeah. The thing is, no se puede is stronger. Yeah. So maybe you can hear it like as a rule. Yeah. Because it's impossible. Kind of. I mean, it's possible, but it's kind of impossible in terms of rules. Uh, no se admite. Admitir is to it's like the admission, of things. So admit. So no se admiten o no se admiten if it's plural. In this case, no se admiten animales en el supermercado. It's like animals are not allowed in the supermarket. Even though I wish I could take my dog to the supermarket, but yeah, normally they are not allowed in the supermarket. So no se admiten animales en el supermercado. Yeah. So this is like the entrance, the admission of things in a place. We also use, so yeah, this is with impersonal say. I think this is great. It's a very cool thing to learn. And also because it's for everybody or for nobody, right? So it could be with impersonal say. No se permiten, se prohíbe, no se puede, no se debe, no se admiten. But we also have with the verb estar, we have also some expressions to prohibit. Yeah, está prohibido, for instance, is like it's not allowed. It's prohibited. Like está prohibido entrar embriagado. It's not allowed to enter drunk. Yeah, it's prohibited to enter drunk. So no está permitido. Permitido is more like allowed. Prohibido is more like prohibited. No está permitido comer en el bus. It's not allowed to eat in the bus. Yeah. Yeah. So it's an example. Yeah. So yeah, with this, you know how to express these kind of things. If something is not allowed, and if you read the sign, you should be able to understand what's going on there. Okay. I hope you don't get into trouble. And thanks for watching. Oh, and to practice this, just again try to read the signs on on the bus, the train station, airport, everywhere. Or if you're driving, you can also read the signs. And also, I mean, in a real life situation, I would say just tell somebody what things are prohibited in your country. You can talk about, I don't know, the cigarettes, drinks, drugs, all the stuff in your country. What is prohibited there? Guns, all the stuff, and also actions, people, things that people shouldn't do. Um, and also ask the person what is prohibited in his or her country. Sometimes you go to a foreign country, trust me, it's important to ask people, hey, what is banned, what is prohibited here, what is allowed, what is not allowed. It's good to know what you can do and what you shouldn't do, so you don't get into trouble, or at least you know the risks. Maybe you get into trouble, but at least you knew it, right? Okay, so that will be it for this video. Gracias, nos vemos en el próximo video. Thanks for watching. Hasta luego. Bye bye.